Hello everyone, my name is David Tirado-Lozano,
My name is Eric Esquivel.
and today we are presenting our committee presentation for the automatic heating and cooling system training.
So for our scope, we are building a trainer that uses a PLC and HMI to regulate temperature, flow, and level within the two tanks, utilizing skills and knowledge obtained from the INDA program, including wiring, programming, instrumentation, and all other aspects of that program. So far, we have made substantial progression, building a rough PLC program, mapping physical inputs and outputs, finishing the wiring inside of the trainer, and that's pretty much so far what we have for now. And every day we're just trying to do a little bit.
This is our budget summary so far. So we have purchased all these materials for our project, which includes tubing, a mechanical ball valve, hose clamps, digital level sensors, sealant for big holes in our tanks, a case for the radiator, hose fittings, and also electrical connectors. We are estimating everything before purchase, and our actual cost ended up being less than the estimate, and we shouldn't expect any future costs. So our estimated total after completion would be 157, leaving us with $840 in our budget.
And now looking at our Gantt chart from what we have so far and what we've also done in class, we've already had our idea. We already did our early testing. We presented our project idea. We got it approved by Professor Murray. We ordered most of our parts. I don't think we have any more parts needed, so that's why we put it in the green. So now it's just waiting on the rest of the equipment that we need and just starting to finishing the wiring, the programming, and just making sure we have everything built, ready to go before it's too late to order any other stuff.
In our project, we have not encountered any much trouble with working on our project. So the only issues we've been facing so far is that we just want to make sure that we finish on time and that all the materials that we need is running properly, so we don't have to make any future orders and consider replacements down the line. But as of now, the challenges have been um, nothing that we are unable to handle. So it's been pretty good so far.
And luckily, we haven't had any changes to our scope. I think we've been pretty strong with our idea and what we want to do with this project. So I think next steps would just be finishing that PLC program, making sure we can get the pumps running good, and just testing out how it works with the two tanks, and then so we can get the HMI program going, because I think that's probably going to take the longest amount of time.
Yes, especially the HMI. Making sure that our PLC is talking correctly to our PLC. And if once we get that going, that'll make their trainer more possible, and also make sure that our hydrodynamics is working as well. So that's our next steps.